Hey everyone, this section of the Right-Click Tools Community Edition Academy course covers the user management tools that are available in Right-Click Tools Community Edition. When you think of Right-Click Tools, you probably think of our device management tools, but just know that there are also user management tools baked into our tool set. So while a majority of your time may be spent managing devices, managing your user accounts is equally as important. As an IT professional, you're managing more than just your devices. You're also managing your end user accounts as well. Whether it be dealing with password resets, locked out accounts, or group membership, we have a set of common user management tools and actions available right from within the right-click menu when right-clicking on a user account. These tools are great for the frontline IT staff that you have tasked with keeping your users up and running, as they can take quick action without needing to leave the Config Manager console. With our tools, you can ensure proper rights management with security group information on your user accounts to ensure that users are in the correct groups that they need to be in and not in any unnecessary elevated groups. With the toolset being baked into the right-click menu in Config Manager, you don't need to open Active Directory users and computers to take many of our common tasks. You can also add or remove users to and from collections. Let's take a look at all of the user tools that are available in the Community Edition. On the user tool side of things, we have the Change Password tool that allows you to change a user's password, but there's also some additional settings in there that we'll take a look at in the next section. You can enable or disable accounts. You can view security group membership. You can unlock locked accounts. And you can also view the devices that your users are logged into. On the user collection side of things, you can add or remove users to and from collections. That's a quick look at all of the user management tools that are available in the Community Edition of Right-Click Tools. In the next section, I'll give you a live demo of these tools in action and how you can use them.